Love and greetings to you. Welcome to the Marriage Foundation channel. I'm Paul Friedman. I'm the founder of the Marriage Foundation, and I've been helping people, and our organization has been helping people since 2001. We saved thousands of marriages, and many of them start going bad with this particular topic: how to bring back your husband's love. So I want to assure you of a couple things. Number one is, in that context, yes, you can. And number two, you need to change yourself. It's not the things that you're doing, but it's who you have allowed yourself to become. When you met your husband, you treated him like royalty. You made cookies for him, you smiled, you laughed at his jokes, you were kind to him, you touched him, you were all the things you can remember. You met your soulmate, you were excited. By the way, please subscribe now. Please like this video. What happened was you were so excited because you found your soulmate, and the love was just gushing out of your heart. But what happened is what happens to virtually everyone, because we're not taught. You see, we're souls. This is not religious, it's the truth. You're a soul. God created us in His image. That image is love, joy, harmony, peace, all those attributes. That's what a soul is. But we come into creation. I don't know why God created it this way, but He did. And in creation, we have a body. And a body has an intelligence all its own that is wrapped around one thing. You learn this in school. Self-preservation. That's what the body's all about. So you might say that you have the body tugging at your mind constantly and telling you this is dangerous, that's dangerous, watch out for this, watch out for that. And it doesn't discriminate. And you, the soul, who love your husband with everything that you have, allowed your mind to interfere with that love. You've become critical. You've complained. You have made fun of him. You've pointed out his flaws and his errors. Every time you do, every time you did, you're pushing him away. So the love that he feels for you is covered. It's covered with this cloth, and it's become a cloth of indifference. And that's what you're feeling. You're feeling his indifference instead of his love. So what do? Easy. Go back to the way you've been. Now, if you need some help with that, then watch these videos. I hope you've subscribed. Go to our website, get the course for women if you need it, or just get one of the books so you can get grounded in the reality of who you are, who your husband is, what marriage is all about, how it's supposed to provide you this happiness and love that is off the charts. This is the secret that people don't know. Come and visit us again. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. God bless you, and take care. Thank you.